Hi Sas'ke, I usually open the box before doing the review, but this time, as you can see, it's the first time I see the things in this box. I used to see before only because I'm so much curious. So when it's arrived, I'm so, I can open it, so I open after I do the review. But this time I didn't have the time to open before this review. So let's discover. I'd like to be on the edge, but with this box I can't. Oh, let's open. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, always I find the Tia Leviation Light. Oh no, I think it's hot, so I'll eat after all these things. I hope you are not so hot. I know you are too much hot. Oh, from Lay's, other chips from Lay's. I didn't have breakfast, also I didn't have lunch, so I'm very hungry. It's like some Chinese dishes with seafood, and it's hot. No, it's hot too. Peanut butter, Munchpak. Oh, peanut butter. After seafood, it's okay, peanut butter. Oh my god, it's really big. Chocolate. It's a bomb. Why I go to the gym? Why? Every month I receive these fantastic sweets and chips and tea and other chocolate. I know this one, it's Kit Kat, Wafer Kit Kat. So I ate it after because I know how it tastes and it's really delicious. Yeah! Other chocolate. Oh, peanut chocolate. Wafer with peanuts and cocoa coating. In this box I can find all the snacks from all around the world. It's soft and sweet and chocolate. Mentos! Yeah! Mentos pop-ins. Yeah, Mentos. It's so colorful. Apple. Every color is about a fruit, so apple, orange, blueberry and lemon. Other candies, grape ones. Good, buona. Other candies. What taste this one? Sas'ke missie. It's Polish. Oh, beer, teddy beer. I'm sorry. Do you want to eat? Cannibalism. Other chocolate. You know I like chocolate and you put all the chocolate you have. Thank you so much to Roxanne. This time I have to thank Roxanne for this box from Munchpak. I remember to you that Munchpak is a subscription box that you receive every month. Oh, Japanese sweets. It's the last one. Oh yes, I know you are good. Every time I'm really satisfied with this box because everything is so... Okay, but now I have to taste the chili chips. Come on Sas'ke, you can do it. Pray for me. Oh no. It is beginning. I survived this time too. Okay, no. It's not really hot. I can do it. So actually my channel is based on the box review about Munchpak. I know I'm doing a lot of videos about Munchpak, but so probably my channel will change into this type of channel where you see people eating. It's a kind of fetish. So now actually you are a fetish. If you're watching these videos, you are a kind of fetish watching Sas'ke eating snacks from all around the world. For the next video I hope I can share these snacks with all my friends, and see you in the next video. If you are suggesting some kind of video you would like to see, let me know in the comments. Also I have to thank my Patreon, Sas'ke Patreon. So thank you so much to Tyler, Madeleine, Tyle and Daniel. On my Patreon you can find all the rewards and obviously something that you can find on my channel, on the other my social. So go to the link and see you in the next video, Sas'kittens. Bye bye!